Captain's month if you say to aba ewie Ghana okasa bebre ese sunsun fufuro bi abese ne mu ofere we no ohuru no no threat ne bi mu na okasa dende tiantem ye be ye say ye be chew ye be ense bebre no oka otomane we left right center na baby ano ye adwuma ofiri ho eye angel groups of companies ABN for no Dr. Kwaku ten and a dano or to be a man or mopa before Kwaku ten who ni been so far Kwajo Dixon ho in particular na sansa me beka kuti na ototo man o munyina wie no aye Vim Lady efiapokua aso so me me so me will be catch row nti efiapokua so up to be e dey amane Captain Smart eboko ne akwakuti efiapokua ene Captain Smart ensam ahodo a omo e dey atoja yenko tie mra sisia
you can have her Jebi me come no me no amane hu ni machia me hu da you wi ase am ba ye e ma ehu me gina hai e ma woro me ho me nakedness we be 14 me life na listen, 2 p.m. Who bought the office? Second receptionist is Shaho, Grace is Shaho.
Is it reception or general manager? Who are you born?
Near to Pudum. Until the office cry I too.
So security is all okay. No.
Tibi hon konkonsa me frɛ kwaku ti dem ka kyɛ sɛ kwaku adwuma ne yɛ when me kofi original plastic table. Oh, because the new patriotic party me party me former party essay sekwakuti enyi media 1 ne ba onye deputy minister
the ba that is Francisca Otin yeah almost also born who possible to no
winning the NCR me catch the way why Francisca nam pese shit MP before that if you use Francisca against me I can gain Francisca me share that and you know what Ubebo wako feeling unya COVID bi anche Pejebi eti Bronzy any ochami kofi any Stacy ekesi ani say me ma space because I was the director of operations the whole ABN
na kumase de ka ho sakare de ka ho
ena Kwame Dinkraye COO chief operations officer
I put it in
yes. But I respect Kwame. To be imagine me use me position. To be, I went under him. It's year organizing 2020 elections. No, Sanka Kumase.
Yeah, sure.
But the COO came to the director of operations. Yeah, the Kwame Dinkra. I put it in
Eba Ankara.
Is it a pentana say then? Apem. No, you said it our angel. Oh, Kumase. Any the oye angel of a morning show presenter here wejai
KT Kwame
Tanko umi na ba Kumase sorry and crying na ya organize here ye two abanu wie no 18 hours na me declare results na mkopem baby ne girlfriend
angel
ezi eni o wayire wo girl adwuma receptionist girl ne ye kokko ye friend Grace and me catch and say kodo what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? General manager or girlfriend. The boss market to 700. I am director of operations. Mama ya to market to him. Me asa to girlfriend that to him. Me na me ma ya di Grace market to call 1,500 Ghana cedis from 700.
More than 100%.
Kojo Dixon no pesa poma mpini.
Sapoyo.
Yes.
Sapoyo mi na bema. Mi na bema.
O ma ye yi sapomedi.
Mi na bema.
Yes. Oh. It's me birthday last year. Sapome sunu na microphone tia. Oh no. Esi adwa santo aho. Because of Grace. That's him adwa santo ya. Wani. Hey, me see ene ye beto ba o me aba no fofo. Ana me ma ye two ono ne girlfriend. Ne yire be kun adwa mu. Ne yire dwala bruta. Wani. I told the general manager about Bonnie Pruno, no one walking, a 1 p.m. The general manager, receptionist, a co running office. They are to the office. Who is the receptionist is cleaning the washroom. Jai.
Oh, Jabby,
no,
Facebook. I'm not for part of the Jabby.
No, brutal. And you see, me, I am one person.
Oh, same market. You
see, the perception of people about me is irrelevant to my selection.
Or Yako too far. I said, Dr. Kwako, Timmy, on your boss, but Papa, 3 hour kada. Anya, what don't cry over here, say, oh, co angel, 2 years now, Koye. This man was paying you, Dr. Kwako. Inti, so Kotina and I'll pim Dr. Kwako, Tia Kutia. Then I made a boss, Biancotina baby, or baby uncle da garage. And I made the Obianco cocaine da. Massa, oh, true. If you are saying, Obin Shira and Amobiso. And Captain knows as same way I make a me buni be onim. Obin Shira and Namobiso. Ain't Dr. Kokoti on ya she crowd captain or 3rd and I'm wedding koni paid an hour over 2 years. Over Pimna Kutiasa, why a mistake. Uko Pentecost, they make a Captain Martin or no Tebe. What Tebena me buno nanase. They're wrong. What coseti agenda? Who need evidence? A coseti agenda. Agenda no Pascal no be busa ho kashe na ya expose you Obofour. We enya de consume na bo ahina. Na no MP de fia mekpo NDC MP. Or backfire Asamoah say Asamoah kra ko join MPP na or suspect say go no kra Asamoah say no World Cup 2010 no because no MPP ni and NDC for na tisunti e no yes sir. Tama ye nyina dia no gu no so then na de fia mekpo ye as the honorable man that he is. Osio me sorry Asamoah with the American wa fatep. That's how captain you should have done. Yen nyina a mistake da why a mistake oh sorry asem van asem ko we dey chinchina agenda dan na nipa wo say e first say obi na poison jonkuma fe dey ye che wo a wo say oba no kra oti awaye jonkuma yire no kwa suspect no afa dey anya poison jonkuma otamale biem e ne yire no you see what say ade doesn't add up. You see that it doesn't add up. There are 3 main questions I busa amini abema captains man. Number 1, who video obidi a poison good jonkuma animal. Who even photo, who even CCTV camera footage, who even any evidence, autopsy report, alternative one. No. Did you check before you went on air? No. Did you verify before you went on air? No. Do you know Pangase Neya Yekaso the emphasis from Afaso, but still issue near relevant and Neya Crano. Captain Smart o video say obi de adrogu EFS a jonkuma edi anima kaka so better na be obi say obi a dog he would have produced it. And it said you sorry them can see whoever is against the union of these 2 people you speak up now or forever hold your peace. And the captain who video who are there who alternative medical reporter speak up now or forever hold your peace. Who need evidence? No, it doesn't matter how many years Abe Freya say cramai. O friends here cry masayacho agenda now set ya nye tie there are major issues adwuma ye nti bloggers nyina be ye boy ne kwese friends bongo ideas so said so no one ko set ya say achi no said they on say apashe no they actually no give us the evidence that show that somebody came to your house to arrest you and I am a big to be on a freedom of speech that free and your freedom of speech ni na say you can bully people. Captain, sometimes you're bullying, cyber bullying. Because what baka asem, obisi me no nya adwene. Mache madwene se masa unye doctor or your autopsy. You don't do ABCD until say oh my dogs. That is cyber bullying. You are bullying everybody to believe that a poison when it is not. Or when you have not produced any tangible evidence to show that indeed a poison. So what I say? Enti se obi abeka I don't know, but when you wait, no, you produce evidence. You don't go around and insult people that will be a Chairman General on your no. Chairman General. History now, Chairman General creating legendary, iconic role now we're playing over 30 years in the media space. Captain to me yet. But you make Captain Smart or Yeminio precupe. When you want it, share your cosa. I dear Bachini as some boom. Where she me yes, yeah, oh, Jajas, young conda. Yeah, you didn't correct. You mean you're correct. Your conto quasa, TMC. Say, nay, Captain evidence, and call the abba, and can't go for be a dog. The chairman general, a media space women. What the infant talk at the chair crowd, so be by and chair. By infant say, the chairman general, the Aqua Tia, what funk of 4 Juma many years, and can only get a chair or beaver for Nanya, and not the only Nanya. How is it that the CEO for now do matem? Why? Only workers Nanya. Into I don't see you for now could do matem. It's not right. A what they or what that be careful, Captain. Yes, careful. Me have him lady me na minu aba no asem bia ba me na do achi. But once we mistake, me also na me fire. Any fire just differences in position. It doesn't mean say me wasem. Me I love you to the moon and back. But the fire and me fire. This one you were wrong. Men throw be a dog be a enya. And I want to be the cocaine, and I want on you be called our garage. Still, you are what the human is such a chill. What can ba poison to me for evidence? Be a maba, says here. Once I call for frabas, so be no be a coda, video brand area. And Obi smoky and son, wako studio, Obi smoky and smoking a crime. Smoking here is smoking a crime. Once upon a time, Ghana, another one of the biggest tobacco companies, British American Tobacco. Now, Ghana. Obi smoky, I say a crime. Almost a crime, and I'm crying. Who's Obi smoky as an Wako studio? Now, the Obi as an Wako studio, there for you. Now, so there we are on Pemune. Atopana Ubune, Obiaka was Obia 18 years. Into Obiako garage, no, your baby, Ako to Akobu, Atopana, any Panamona. Why should that be my business? And no more titi a homo boom of 4 to Kragum, Krazom, Omukra Shamra, presence on sign. Focus on the issue. Issue ni beni se bini doom so. Ye wo doom so. Ye wo doom so. Government is not giving us proper a year first saying explanation say ye wo doom so. Ye wo doom so. Inti aba. Inti Dr. Koko ti an ye hwe kra wo ka to third ya na am wadi ko ni pay na oje over 2 years. Na over pem na kuti asa why a mistake. What coseti agenda? Who need evidence a coseti agenda? Agenda no Pascal and no be busa ho question na ya expose wa Obofour. We enya de konsuo na bo ahina. Na no MP de fia mekpo NDC MP. Wo back fire Asamoah say Asamoah kra ko join MPP na or suspect say go no kra Asamoah say no World Cup 2010 no because no MPP ni na NDC for na tisunti and no yes sir. Tama ye nyina di anu gu no so then na de fia mekpo ye as the honorable man that he is. Osio me sorry Asamoah with the mechano wa fache. That's how Captain you should have done. Then na nipa I will say a friend saying obi na poison Jonkuma fe de ye chewo I will say oba no kra oti awa ye Jonkuma ye no kwa suspect no afi de nya poison Jonkuma o tamale biem ye ne yire no. You see what was that the end doesn't add up. You see that it doesn't add up. There are 3 main questions that me busa me nua be ma Captains man. Number 1, who video a obi di poison gu Jonkuma aduane mo. Or even photo, or even CCTV camera footage, or even any evidence, autopsy report, alternative one, no. Did you check before you went on there? No. Did you verify before you went on there? No. Do you know, Panase, Neya, Yekasodi, and from Afaso, but still issue irrelevant. And Neya Crano. Captain Smart or video, say, Obidi a drug, a EFS, a Jonkuma, Edianima, Kakas or better now, because Obi a dog. He would have produced it.